This 2021 Jeep Cherokee is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Duscha, Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by Warner's four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.2 L198 engine, and has 922 miles. Adventure awaits. Drive home this 2021 Jeep Cherokee, reliable, rugged, and ready for your journey. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.